What's up, everybody? I'm next to this brand new Ford Bronco Big Bend. I think it's a 2026 2.3 liter. I just got it as a loaner because my Mach-E is down and out for now. Anyways, I'm outside and it's 81 degrees still and out here in Orange County. I know it's hotter in some other places in the summer, but still pretty hot, but it feels a little bit cooler. So what I want to do is I want to take off that top and see how hard it is. A few tops and then go for a ride. Maybe some of my kids want to go with me. So let's see if I could take this top off easily or not. See, these are in sections here. Let's back up a little bit. And you can see the sections. I think this comes out too. From what I've seen, it's a full removable thing, right? So that's what I'm gonna do. I see some levers. Oh, it's hot in there now. And it goes all the way back, but I don't want to get that back part because I think I gotta get the windows out and do the frame. So I'm just gonna do what, this one. See what I can do. Let's see. I guess you just pull it, right? Wow. What am I missing? Got that one. Easier to go, obviously, on the other side. How does that one go? That one pops like that. Okay. Alright. Let's go around. Probably it's a two-person deal, it'd be easier, but curious. Can one do it? Oh, okay, that's kind of heavy. Let's see. So back here. Is it levered? I'm guessing it flips up. All right. So I guess it should come off on the other side. This thing's heavy. Ooh-wee. Such an awkward thing. Okay. How do I get this? If you want to get that out, I'm gonna guess is bolts. I don't read instructions. Remember, you see that? It's got like bolts right here, and then a harness. Oh, man, I'm losing my breath. But what else? Here's the back. This is hydraulic. Yeah. So I'm not the guy that reads instructions. I'm sure you don't either, but looks like these are the bolts. So you could get this out. And I bet you it's semi-heavy with the glass, and you gotta have two hands to help you. You don't want to fiddle with that alone. So I am not gonna ride closing that. It's got a shock on it. Alright, the reason why I closed the window is I didn't want the door open to come down and on me. The thing. So you can see here, when you put it back, this has got to go first. What I should have done is driver's side, pull that out first, and then the passenger side. So, time to go for a ride. Hi. What are you doing?
Going.
Oh, where'd you go? Hey, pop out.
Go on here?
Yeah, stand up on it. Wow, you're on top of a car.
I'm almost like I'm gonna fall for real. Yeah. There.
All right, so we got 3 or 4 kids in here. Hello.
Hello.
So we're gonna go for a ride, see how they feel. I haven't. Jonah used to be in my convertible before. I used to have a couple convertibles, and he was in it. But these two haven't been in the convertible. You can see how it feels with that
Whoever's
thing
name
off.
is Lana or Lexi or Bella or any one of my friends. Hello. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Huh?
I put my arms up.
You can put your arms up. You just gotta be in the chair still.
Still in the chair.
Because you might fall down.
Well, you have a seatbelt on.
Yep.
It's so cool.
Oh shoot.
Daddy.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Open, huh?
Yeah.
Why you think I opened this shoe?
Oh, look at that.
When it was the end of my school.
It's different.
How's that with the windows up?
How is
Worse, better, same?
Feels the same, huh?
Oh,
What kind of better, right?
Huh?
It feels different.
A little harder wind?
Yeah. Yep.
Flip it the other way and point up.
Okay.
You know how to flip the
Oh,
you can do that. That's fine.
That's good.
That's fine. You guys see the sky now, right?
Yeah.
Is it different?
I'll hold it.
She's got it.
Yep.
This is inside them. Alright, so you can see back first, passenger second, driver next. What I did on the other side, I didn't do it on this side. You had to keep this clamp down, and then you could clamp it. You hear that clink? I already got that corner. So now, watch your fingers, pop these back on. I already hooked this one. This was down. It's a little dark. Here we go. That was starting to get dark, so I hooked that back on. You get back here. These levers too. Knobs, levers, what do you call it? So you're securing, basically securing everything you see. I already got that one. I got that one. So now, son's excited. Back over here. I didn't do those back levers yet. Now that's secure. Secured. That was secured when I put it on. So again, make sure you got these up before you clamp it. And these are harder to turn than those. That one's just easy. And that's it. Ooh. You can see how long it takes to do it. And like I said, the back one, going to be a lot of more work if you want the whole thing to be all things. Anyways, thanks for watching.